What defines the work of a good professional tradesman? Precision and attention to detail. To achieve the perfect result, he needs all his experience, the best machine, and also the best circular saw blade, customized to meet his needs. But how do you find out which requirements a circular saw blade has to meet for a specific application? We at Bosch constantly monitor the needs of users. Our Modern Development and Research Center for Cutting Tools enables us to continuously further improve and innovate. We also strengthen our developments by working closely with universities. We are a leading manufacturer who produces its own carbide powders, customized for every application. We produce our own carbide teeth from the exceptionally dense Microtech powder with microfine grains. These teeth minimize wear on the cutting edge and ensure the best cut quality and extremely long lifetime. We grind every tooth to a razor-sharp finish with a smooth mirror-like shining surface. The CleanTech coating minimizes the buildup or sticking of residues, such as resin or sap, on the blade and teeth, and it therefore achieves extra clean results. Vibration and noise are severely reduced by the polyurethane-filled anti-vibration slots. This improves cutting precision and working comfort. The protection coating considerably reduces frictional resistance on the circular saw blade during sawing, which means it has a cooling effect. For a long lifetime and extra clean cutting results in laminate flooring. We have perfected production for 100% in-house manufacturing. In the direct vicinity of many North Italian furniture manufacturers, we have been producing circular saw blades in industrial quality for over 40 years. All our premium steel plates are hardened up to HRC 46 and are exclusively cut by laser to produce the body. The geometry of our laser cut expansion slots has been engineered to completely prevent harmful stress and warping. Each and every blade is individually balanced through an automatic computer-controlled process. Strict controls take place at every production step. This guarantees the superior quality of our products. For efficient working with top results, the complete circular saw blade range. Industrial quality for perfect cuts. Bosch offers the customized circular saw blade for every application and machine. Innovations from our development, premium quality, and customized solutions have made us the specialist worldwide for circular saw blades. And for your next application,